Let's get into high knees. Begin by standing tall with your feet hip-width apart. We're aiming for a 30 to 60-second interval, so find a pace that's challenging but controlled. Drive one knee up toward your chest, lifting it as high as you can, while the opposite arm comes forward, swinging naturally in sync with each knee lift. Keep your arms active. They're not just along for the ride. This movement works your shoulder muscles as well, adding extra upper body engagement. As you raise each knee, focus on engaging your core, keeping it tight to maintain stability and improve posture. Remember to keep your back straight, chest up, and land softly on the balls of your feet. This exercise is fantastic for building strength in your hip flexors, quads, and core, while boosting your heart rate for some extra cardio burn. Stay focused, lift those knees high, and let's finish strong.